Hey guys, so आज का दिन काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. There is a lot happening, so I thought I'll just take you around. I have a few shoots that has to be done, so I am just heading to the studio. फिर मेरा आफ्टरनून में एक इवेंट भी है and I have a little other work also that needs to be done. So it's a quite kind of a busy day and as usual I am very late. So I am just running to the studio. Let's go. I was getting ready for the shoot. I was doing my hair and I just thought that I will share my hair care routine with you guys because मुझे इतने questions आते हैं कि मैं क्या करती हूँ. So I thought I'll just quickly share with you my summer hair care routine. So first important step is to choose the right shampoo. अभी गर्मी में dandruff, stickiness, irritation ये सब बहुत common है. So I usually use a anti-dandruff shampoo once a week at least, and I have tried so many anti-dandruff shampoos but nothing has worked for me. But there's one shampoo that has worked really well for me. I am currently using the Arata anti-dandruff shampoo. It has worked so well. The best part about the shampoo is, you can actually visibly see difference in just one use, which is the best part about it. Also, I have used other shampoos, but what is something that I like about this is it doesn't make my hair dry. So usually जब हम anti-dandruff shampoos use करते हैं तब आपके scalp बहुत dry हो जाते हैं, बहुत डल डेड लगते हैं, बट दैट इज नॉट द केस विद द अराटा एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू. इससे आपके बाल बिल्कुल ऐसे रफ ड्राई फ्रिजी वैसे नहीं लगेंगे. इट ऑल्सो नरिशेज योर हेयर. वो जो अपना मेन कंसर्न होता है ऑफ नॉट यूजिंग एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू इज टोटली सॉल्व्ड बाय दिस. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई लव दिस वन. इफ यू सी द टेक्सचर इज ऑल्सो वेरी नरिशिंग. इट हैज सम अमेजिंग ingredients that help to actually remove dandruff. So it's antifungal, antibacterial, and it actually kills Melissasia, that is the bacteria causing dandruff. So अगर वो bacteria ही kill हो जाता है, the main reason that your dandruff comes back again and again, it is actually solved with this Arata anti-dandruff shampoo. So the most important step is to use the right shampoo, and I feel that you need to find out what works the best for you. This shampoo really works really well for me. I use this once a week, and बाकी 2 times जब मैं hair wash करती हूँ I use a nourishing shampoo depending on how my scalp is at that time. फिर उसके बाद मैं अपने ends के लिए I use a conditioner no matter what. मैं ऐसे mid length से ends में अपने conditioner को लगाती हूँ. I leave it on for some time to nourish my ends, and कभी कभार if my scalp feels थोड़ा dry I just apply it a little. जो ऐसे residue बचा होता है वो थोड़ा ऐसे सर पे भी लगा देती हूँ, because it doesn't, I personally feel that your scalp also needs nourishment, and it actually does wonders. If you can see, my hair looks and feels very soft. That is what I do for my hair. Post hair wash, one thing that I do no matter what is I use a serum. जब मेरे बाल गीले होते हैं, not post drying my hair, जब गीले होते हैं थोड़े तब मैं लगा देती हूँ to tame frizz, and then I blast dry my hair. I don't prefer keeping my hair wet because it is actually not advisable to keep your hair wet for a very long time. Wet hair is prone to breakage. So उससे आपके बाल जल्दी टूटेंगे, and it attracts dust and dirt on your head. जब गीले बाल होते हैं ये सब बहुत जल्दी बैठ जाता है. So you have to at least 70% blast dry your hair. If I have to go out somewhere, I style my hair, but उसके लिए भी I usually use my Dyson at low setting. If I use my blow dryer, that also I use it at low setting. This is what I do. It's very important that you avoid heat on your hair. These are some very simple steps that I follow on a day-to-day basis for my hair. Using the right kind of products is very important. What I'll do is I'll link all the products that I've used in the description box below so that you can check it out if you want. Now let's go. I am getting back to shoot, and then I have to go have lunch and go for an event. So chalo, chalte hain. All set. This is my look for the shoot. I'm on my way going to the event. The theme of the event is pink, इसलिए I'm wearing the same pink outfit.